Well, greetings. Here we are with our little kids there. We got little Margot there and Gertie. We got Oliver. Hello, Oliver. Hey.
Hi.
Oliver's helping today with our little kid goats. So we just moved them into their new pen. Do you like it? Yes, Chris. It's lovely. We love it here. You had to say that. Yes, because you're making us say it. I know. But we got you in here and we got your mum in here now. And the nice thing about it, Oliver, is that we got the triplets that you helped deliver next door. So we got our two little females here, born last night. We got Mum, who's having some treats. We've got some special food for her. And over here, we got the triplets. And I can see Tick and Tock. And Rain, where are you? I think the rain's everywhere at the moment. It's raining outside. We've got Ken over there as well, looking in to see what's going on. So we made some quick pen. Oh, there's little Rain. Oh, so they're very playful. So we've got 3 boys here, 2 girls on the other side. We've got Clover the mum. Everybody's looking happy and very playful. So we're going to have lots of fun with these as we introduce them to the farm and their other animals. So Oliver, have you got a favourite kid yet?
I like all of them, to be honest.
I know what you mean. They're all a little bit special. And they're doing well.
But I do like Rain because he was the first one I seen born.
That's it, yeah, my favourite as well. We shouldn't have
Yeah.
favourites, but Rain, look at that. Rain, come here. Nah, nah. Rain's over the corner. He's already nibbling a bit of hay already. But obviously at the moment they're drinking the milk. We're keeping an eye on make sure they got enough milk there. Remember, they look very healthy, Oliver. And yeah, thanks for your help. And yeah, we should see how these will progress. You gonna come here? No. fell over. Oh dear. So from our bouncy little kids, from the mum, and of course, thumbs up from Oliver. Thank you for watching and thank you for all your support. Oh, Rain's coming over now. Quish, can I be on camera? You want to go on camera, do you? I think you probably want milk more than anything. Yes, you got some milk there.